In this video you will learn how to activate your Boost mobile SIM card in Australia, prepare your information, ensure you have your Boost SIM serial number found on the back of your SIM pack, and a valid form of ID such as your Australian driving licence or Medicare card, Australian passport or more. Insert the SIM card, place the Boost SIM into your phone, then power your phone on. Access the activation page, open your device's browser and navigate to the Boost mobile activation page. Enter your required details. Input your SIM serial number and choose whether to keep your existing number or get a new one. Then provide your ID and contact information. Select a plan and recharge. Choose your desired Boost plan, then the amount you'd like to recharge. Complete activation. Review your details and submit the form. You should receive a confirmation SMS or email once your service is activated, typically within 4 to 24 hours. Now you know how to activate your Boost mobile SIM card in Australia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.